Number 2 wants us to evaluate the following permutations. So 7p3 stands for how many ways there are to select 3 objects from a group of 7 objects, and the order in which you select them is important. So we have a calculator function to find this. So first I want to type in the first number on the home screen, and then press the math button, and then go over to the PRB, or the probability menu, and then select number 2, which is NPR, and then I want to type in the second number, and then press enter, and it will tell me that the number of ways to select 3 objects from a group of 7 objects, and the order in which I select them is important, is 210. So this is equal to 210. So if you type in 5p5 on the calculator, you get 120. If you type in 5p1, you get 5. If you type in 3p1, you get 3. And if we look at those last two, so 5p1, that's asking how many ways can I select one object from a group of 5 objects. Well, if I have 5 objects and I'm just selecting one object, then that's just 5 different ways. And the same goes for 3p1.